Welcome. Today I will show you how you can open Equalizer of IKEA Symfonisk picture frame speaker. You have to tap right here on the Sonos application. Next you have to go for the system, pick your device, and then go for the sound where you can find EQ. Here we can adjust bass and the treble by using these dots, move to the left or the right. And you can set up loudness. If you want to reset these options, just click here and they will restore to the defaults. After that you can just go back if you set it up. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.